Hello guys, it's me again, JLLB. Welcome back to my channel. Today is another day of reaction, and guess what? Today is my first ever American football reaction, and I'm going to react to NFL biggest hits. To be honest, I've never heard about the game, no knew anything about the game, about the positions and the rules and how the game's supposed to be played. I never know or knew anything about it. This is my first time, and I'm a big rugby fan, Fiji rugby fan. Some of you have may reacted to it, so some NFL fans have been reacting to rugby, which is great. Thanks a lot to YouTube. You know, it has bring us together, for you guys NFL fans and for us rugby fans, to learn more about each of our sport. And to be honest, I have never knew anything about NFL. I just know that it's been played in the US only, and only by the Americans. But to play NFL, to know about the game, to know about the stars of the game and everything, I don't know even a single thing about it. So, and I'm blessed, I'm thankful that I'm going to learn starting from today about NFL. We are a bit similar rugby, but the only thing differences is some other things are different is the size of the ball, and you guys wear the pads, we don't. But other than that, first of all, I just want to check out how you guys hit, and a friend of mine suggested for me to react to NFL big hits, also my first reaction of NFL, and I hope that I'm going to learn more about your game. If you're just going to suggest videos about how the game works and everything through the comment section, and don't forget to like, subscribe for more NFL reaction videos. And now comes the time for me, and also the first ever for JLLB to react to NFL, and let's get straight to it. Biggest football hits ever, yeah. Good luck to me. All right, let's take it away. Where are you? Okay.
Here comes the, y'all don't really want it like that. Yeah. Here comes the, no. Here comes the, oh. Here comes the, y'all don't really want it like that. Yeah. Here comes the, no. Here comes the, oh. Here comes the, y'all don't really want it like that. E-double-L, I said so. I keep big bills up in my heart on the dirty like blood. So ain't got no twist in my head, but I'm still dreadful. And I got plenty of bread, so I go to bed full. I'm in it to win it, I'm all in. I might call you my cuz, young blood, but we ain't kin. You think of jumping, man, you best think again. The dirty, I'm the type of man that might go broke for revenge. Had some not so nice friends, kick the door off the hinge, take the door off your bins, pop up off all of your friends. Man, please, this shit ain't cynical. Man, no subliminal, I'm physical, financial, and mental to be a general. Hey, the mama claims she want a soldier, not the type be in the tank, but in that rover. Man, please, I'm in the zone like 8 full blown. I'm killing it like a blind man reading. I'm feeling it like, oh yeah. Here comes the, oh, here comes the, oh, here comes the. Y'all don't really want it like that. Yeah. Here comes the, oh, here comes the, oh, here comes the. Y'all don't really want it like that. Yeah. Here comes the, oh, here comes the, oh, here comes the. Y'all don't really want it like that. Yeah. Here comes the, oh, here comes the, oh, here comes the. Y'all don't really want it like that. He think he got her when he knew he's off his butter. He ain't never been a fighter. You can go and ask his mother. Guys, got a fighter. Through Sahara. and a writer. Girl, a quick fix and give your man a nice shiner. You know y'all don't really want it, and I can tell just by looking at you that you the type to run and go and tell just by looking at you. You on a mission for recognition by dissing. Didn't have no problem till the record started breaking, but y'all don't really want it. So let me tell you the deal. I'm on so serious, I'm dirty, I'm no longer for real. I'm like a hop, skip, and a jump, a clock grip on the pump. From leaving you in the trunk, somewhere prepared to dump. But y'all don't really want it, so quit acting like you're dead. I'm looking to my right, trying to see who's left. So you better watch it before I stick to the plan and be the next artist to run up in your stand. Like, here comes the, here comes the, here comes the. Y'all don't really want it, here comes the, here comes the, here comes the. Y'all don't really want it, here comes the, here comes the, here comes the. Y'all don't really want it, here comes the, here comes the, here comes the. Y'all don't really want it, man. Y'all don't really want it, don't really want it. Y'all don't really want it with me. I know you shook, man. You ain't built for a skirt as a nigga can be. It's gon' sound like when I'm coming, like when I'm coming, like when I'm coming for ya. It's gon' sound like when I'm coming, like when I'm coming, like when I come for ya. It's gon' sound like here comes the, here comes the, here comes the. Y'all don't really want it, here comes the, here comes the, here comes the. Y'all don't really want it, here comes the, here comes the, here comes the. Y'all don't really want it, here comes the, here comes the, here comes the. Y'all don't really want it now.
There you go, there you go. That was some dangerous shit, to be honest. As a rugby fan, as a guy that has played rugby, you know, hits like that in rugby can cause you penalties or can cause major injuries. But footballers are tough players, you know, they got tough players. Just look by looking the way they hit each other. Maybe it's because the extra pads they're wearing, safety, to keep them safe. But just looking at some of those tackles, even though some of those tackles are illegal in rugby, you're not allowed to hit on the neck or to hit your opposition through the air and stuff like that. But the way they're doing it is, it's just mad, crazy, man. But also, it was awesome. It was great to watch. Big dudes hammering over each other like that, and also they got speed. The way they pass the ball, you know, because football ball is a bit smaller than rugby balls. Just love the way they're passing it from how many yards out. They got strong arms though, those guys passing the ball. And also I was shocked by those big hits. Those were terrifying. Imagine you got hit like that. If someone hits you like that without wearing pads on or helmets on to protect you, you'll just be on a stretcher on your way to hospital after the game or before even the game ended. But I'm shocked, and I like it. I like football now, and I would like all of you guys to start suggesting more big football hits or biggest stars in football or fastest football players ever or the legends of football, and many more. Everything about football, just drop it on the comment section below, and I need to react to it because I need to learn more about your game, because I'm a rugby fan, you know. I just love playing rugby, but it's time for me to take it to another whole new level and start learning about other country sport. that's about it. And I hope to learn more new things about football, and it's a beginning for me. I hope by the end of this year I'll know everything about football, the history about football, and every player's legends that has passed on football till now, present day. And I hope that I'll become a football fan very soon. So that's it. Just don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Make sure to check some of my reaction videos on my playlist. I've got some awesome song reactions and also some soccer reaction, rugby videos. Just check it out. And other than that, I hope all of you guys take care now. Stay safe, stay blessed, and football forever.